Alright, YouTube, here is the second Hunter 1886. Same as the other one. The other one, as you can see, is fully apart over there. I did find the tag for that one. It was actually hiding in the motor housing. Don't know why. I'm sure whoever took those down thought that was an access point, but either way, here's this one, and there's the tag for that one's canopy. Same thing, some slight rust pitting on the lower canopy. The upper canopy is pretty fine. The brackets have a little bit, but like I said, it just kind of goes for that worn look, which is what this fan already has, so it isn't really affected at all. Let's go ahead and go on the low speed. Same thing, this blade is not using the original blades, it's using a set of Pecan Hunter original blades. Let's go ahead and go to medium. These really are good fans. I mean, this thing's going off good air already on medium. Now let's go ahead and go on high. 1, 2, 3. This one's a little bit better balanced than the other one. As you can hear, this one also runs silent. Man, does that breeze feel good. Let's go ahead and de-spin down. And that's important to note. I believe one of these Pecan blades near where the mounting screw is in the center is starting to crack. It's nothing major. I'm going to throw some glue on it before I sell this fan. I'm also going to take photos of it before I sell this fan. But it's not a major issue. It's it's just starting to crack on the end where the screw is at. But besides that, no big issues with this fan. Oh, I found the year on these fans. Both of them inside the motor say they're from 1990. So these fans are 28 years old. And it's pretty impressive for these fans. They don't use an oil bath. They use just a sealed bearing. So, like I said, these are very good fans. I personally still own a few of these, and I found some, I've sold some, and over the years I've parted them out and stuff like that. Really are fantastic ceiling fans though. The only one I still haven't found yet is I'm looking for a black one. They did make these fans really early on and they gloss black. I haven't found one yet. I've seen one that popped up in a habitat near Fort Lauderdale, but unfortunately I never made a chance to get it, and I'm pretty sure it's long gone by now. So, but I do have a wrought iron and a Verde one. I have had the sand/tan one, which I sold to a friend locally, Matthew Orwat. And then I found quite a few of these brass ones over the years. Brass ones, I'm pretty sure, were the most popular finish on these fans, and probably the most sold, I'd imagine. Very, very nice spin down on this fan. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and give it a second and see if I can find out which blade had that crack starting on it. This one in front of me? Yeah, this one right here. You can kind of see it on the edge there. Like I said, it's nothing major. A little bit of wood glue on this edge and it should be perfectly fine. So yeah. Another Hunter 1886. While I'm up here, we're going to do a 0 to high. Just because it is so hot in this garage right now in Florida. That motor housing get up to speed. Oh man, does that feel good? Alright guys, thanks for watching.